Hello, beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how I wash and treat my 4C natural hair after ignoring it for some time. I start by preparing this Ayurvedic herb mix mask. This contains moringa, aloe vera, fenugreek, hibiscus, Foti powders, all good for deep moisture and hair strengthening. The preparation is simple. Just mix the powder with warm water and cover for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I head to the shower and begin to wash my hair. As you can see, my hair is so dry. So I first of all drown my hair in water. When my hair is completely wet, it's time to apply a shampoo. Today I am using this black soap shampoo. I love everything about this shampoo. The lather, the way it cleanses my hair and leaves it so soft. So, I put shampoo all over my scalp, and I take my time to gently wash my scalp and hair. I do this for about 5 minutes. Then I rinse my hair thoroughly before shampooing the second time. I add shampoo for the second time and repeat the same process. Now it's time for the treatment. Clean hair, better treatment absorption. As you can see, after some time, the watery mask has now become a paste-like texture. I applied it off camera as this was becoming messy. This is what it looks like after applying it to my hair. Looks like a mess. I will now cover it with a plastic bag. I can't believe I don't have a cute shower cap. Please don't judge me. I leave this on for 25 minutes. The longer you keep a treatment on the hair, the better, but I didn't have time. So 25 minutes is okay too. After the 25 minutes, I rinse thoroughly my hair. Thoroughly rinse, rinse, rinse. Time for a deep conditioner. Honestly, I think next time I will mix this to the previous mask in order to have an all-in-one treatment and save time. I don't know why I didn't think about that, but next time, Sha. So it is basically the same process. Apply the deep conditioner. Cover and leave it on for 25 minutes, then rinse, rinse, rinse. After rinsing out the deep conditioner, I just took my shower and did my skincare routines, and here we are, back to the hair. By the way, how long is your hair wash process? This took me about 3 hours, and at this point I was just tired. All I wanted was to go to bed, honestly. But it is what it is, we have to finish what we started. So this is me going to moisturize my hair and put it in big twists so I can go to sleep. I gently separate my hair in sections. I apply this leave-in conditioner. After which I normally put shea butter, but now I don't have it. So I put the Blue Magic Cream, which actually worked just as good. Now it's time to gently comb my hair with a wide tooth comb. I love seeing the comb pass through my hair with no breakage and no hair shedding. I then put my hair in twists. Repeat the same process until all my hair is in twists. Leave-in, cream, comb, twist. It protects my hair from tangling and eventually breaking. I then oil my scalp. This is a mixture of black castor oil and fenugreek oil. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next one. Ciao.